एक्सरसाइज 1.1 क्वेश्चन 1 क्या है, यूज पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव नंबर टू डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव नंबर डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। तो फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स बिफोर द ब्लास्ट, 5 मिनट्स बिफोर the blast of a missile, of a missile, 5 minutes before the blast of a missile. Before means -5. Second example, see, increase in the temperature, increase in the temperature by 6 degrees Celsius. Increase in the temperature by 6 degrees Celsius. Increase before minus, increase plus 6 degrees Celsius. In this way you can remaining problem you have to solve like this, minus plus. Now question 2 है so simple, which temperature is higher, plus 10 degrees Celsius and minus 10 degrees Celsius. Which temperature is higher? Positive value is always greater than, means plus 10 degrees Celsius is higher, plus 10 degrees Celsius is higher. Now B, minus 2 degrees Celsius and minus 5 degrees Celsius. Which temperature is higher? The number which is right hand side, it is always greater than the left hand side. So minus 2 degrees Celsius is higher. Question 3, write the value of each of the following. Mod of minus 33, mod of minus 33, 33. Negative, absolute value of minus 33 is 33, means positive. Absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Mod of, that is absolute value of 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, that is 13 minus 5, 8. Mod of 8, 8. Mod of 8, 8. Now question number 4. Question number 4. All the integer lying between, all the integer lying between minus 5 and 5. All the integer lying between minus 5 and 5. This is number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Therefore, integer lying between minus 5 and 5 are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 5. Write predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor of the following. Predecessor and successor of the following. So predecessor of 4. Predecessor of 4 means 4 minus 1, that is 3. And successor of 4 means 4 plus 1, that is 5, means 3 and 5. Predecessor यानी subtract 1. Subtract 1. And successor means add 1. Add 1. Question 6. 3 integers just preceding minus 6. 3 integers just preceding minus 6, that is minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, minus 7 minus 1 minus 6, minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Therefore answer minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Three integers just preceding minus 6 are minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, minus 7 minus 1 minus 8, minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Therefore answer minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Question 7. 3 integers just succeeding minus 2. 3 integers just succeeding minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0. Therefore answer minus 2 minus 1 0. Minus 2 minus 1 0. Question number 8. जैसे greater than or less than देना है हमको यहाँ पे 3 and 11. Which one is greater? 11 is greater. Minus 4 minus 2. Which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater. Equal. Both are equal. Now question number 9. Ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. For example, 0 minus 3, 5, 9, minus 19 and 15. Minus 19 and 15. अभी इसका असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखना है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. माइनस 19 सबसे छोटा, बाद में माइनस 3, उसके बाद में 0, उसके बाद में 5, 9 और 15. ये है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. -18, A1, 1, -10, 40, -20. Ascending order. Smallest -21, then -18, -10, 1, 7 and 40. Now question 10. Descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. First example, 20 minus 1, 0, minus 5, minus 21 and 9. Descending order, greatest to smallest. Descending order, greatest to smallest. Greatest number 20, इसके बाद 9, इसके बाद ग्रेटेस्ट 0, 0 के बाद आता है -1, इसके बाद -5 and -21. Now next -12, -13, 14, 18, 20, -9. Descending order. Descending order. Greatest number 20, इसके बाद 18, इसके बाद 14, 14 के बाद आता है -12, इसके बाद -13, इसके बाद -9। तो इस तरह आपको बाकी के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है। एक्सरसाइज 1.1 के जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने सॉल्व करके नहीं दी है वो आपको सॉल्व करना है टेक्स्ट बुक में से।